Okay, today we'll see one more type in graphical transformations, that is mod y equals to some function, this functions. Modulus of y equals to f of x. To handle this one, if you observe carefully, modulus of y equals to f of x means we know that modulus of y is always positive. So that means there won't be any case if f of x is less than 0, so then modulus of y cannot be defined. So modulus of y is, the graph can be drawn only when f of x is what? Positive or equals to 0. So that means here the condition should be f of x is greater than or equals to 0. So this case won't come. F of x less than 0 won't come here because modulus of y is always positive. So if f of x is greater than or equals to 0, then we can write y equals to plus or minus f of x. So this is the case what we will get. So that means we need to consider the graph f of x as well as minus f of x. Means what it indicates, see, when x plus 2 is satisfying the graph means x minus 2 will also satisfy the graph. That we know that if you take a line, see, for suppose a simple example, modulus of y equals to 4 if you take for suppose. We know that modulus of y equals to 4 can also be written as y equals to plus or minus 4. And we know that y equals to plus or minus 4 represent two straight lines which are parallel to x axis. One is above the x axis and other one is below the x axis. So like this. Here if you have 0 and here you will get the line at 4 units and here you will get one more at a negative of minus 4 units. And this line you can take y equals to 4 and this line you can take y equals to minus 4. So that means while considering C, so the other part, whatever function I am calling, not the constants, this is general description actually. Y equals to 4 means you will get the above and y equals to minus 4 means you will get below. In the same way, if you have some graph, for example, see, I will take modulus of y equals to x. For modulus of y equals to x, first we draw y equals to x graph. So y equals to x graph, we know that it always passes through origin and lies in first quadrant and third quadrant. This is your line y equals to x. Now to draw the graph of modulus of y equals to x, because the cases we know that f of x is less than 0 is not allowed here. That means whatever portion is there below the x axis, we will forget about that one. And we will forget about that one, and by using this logic, see, the same, so here whatever point is there, we know that here, for suppose, here if 1 comma 4 is there means here the corresponding point, what will get 1 comma minus 4. And if you come here, again the negative point and negative point, the similar type structure should come. So that's why what we will do, we will forget about this graph. So this indicates that we are neglecting this graph and take the reflection above the x axis. So whatever graph is there, you take its reflection. So this is the graph. So these two together can be called as modulus of y equals to x. So we will explain one more example. See, modulus of y equals to logarithm of x to the base c. So first I will draw y equals to log x graph. We know that y equals to log x to the base c, the graph will appear like this type. So this is the part here, x equals to 1 and here origin. So this is the graph what we will get. Now we want modulus of y equals to log x to the base c means this graph now here according to the theory, so here we need to take the graph which lies above the x axis. That means from the point 1, this graph will take. And now take the reflection of this portion, so means we will get something like this type. That's it. This is your graph. So this is the graph of mod y equals to log x to the base e. Now you try modulus of y equals to sin x, where x belongs to minus pi to 4 pi. So this is original sine graph, this one. So now according to the theory, now we will try to draw, this is the graph of y equals to sin x. Now first we need to neglect the portion of the graph which lies below the x-axis. So then we will get, here I will draw, see that one. 0. So I am taking limited scale, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and 4 pi, and we will get minus pi. Okay. So that means this portion we will neglect totally, because here the limit is minus pi to 4 pi. So we will neglect this portion. So we will carry this one 0 to pi. So 0 to pi we will draw. Okay. Next, pi to 2 pi we will neglect, and 2 pi to 3 pi we will take. We will get some portion like this type. Now take the reflection of whatever graph so formed, means we will get something like this type and something like this type. This is the graph. So this is the graph of modulus of y equals to sin x in between minus pi and 4 pi. Next one, modulus of y equals to x minus 1 into x minus 2. For the graph mod y equals to x minus 1 into x minus 2, this is clearly a parabola. So first we will draw the graph of y equals to x minus 1 into x minus 2. So that means this parabola, if you observe. So this is a parabola. So parabola which is open upwards only because x square coefficient is positive. So that means whether it will come here means clearly if you put y equals to 0, we will get x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. So that means the parabola cuts x-axis at two different points. So one is x equals to 1 and other one is x equals to 2. Okay. So particularly if you are going for any solutions and all those things type, we will try to find this vertex also. Okay. So this vertex, I told you how to find the vertex easily by using differentiation method. Otherwise you find the vertex by using parabola techniques. Now here also this point if you want means see, this point if you want means put x equals to 0. If you put x equals to 0, minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. So this is the graph. So this is the graph of what? Y equals to x minus 1, x minus 2. Now we will come back to the original requirement. Modulus of y equals to x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay. Now see the students. According to the theory of mod y equals to f of x, first draw the graph which lies above the x-axis. So means here I will keep 2 points 1 and 2. So from this we will take one line like this, another line like this type we will take. So this is at the point 2. Okay. So now its reflection means it will go in this direction, and its reflection means it will go in this direction. That's it.